I did that. You always need to celebrate yourself, celebrate your victory. If no one do it for you, it's okay, girl, do it yourself. Welcome back to my channel, Chanelly767. Hope everybody's doing well today. On a new episode of Makeup Artist Advisory by Chanelly767, we are going to talk about Q&A questions that I got on my IG page. I put out a poll on IG, ask me anything, and you guys ask a lot of questions, so I decided to make a video answering all your questions from IG. And a few disclaimer, I have been in the makeup industry for over 14 years, so everything that I post under this series is my personal experience in the beauty industry for 14 years. And I just want to share with you all my tips, tricks, techniques, sanitation, and so much more, getting from point A to success. Alright, so question number 1. When do you do giveaway? I do giveaway. I don't have a date and I don't have a time doing giveaway, I'll be honest. No time, no date. But I did do a lot of giveaway last year, and it's like every other month I was doing giveaway, and my biggest giveaway was my 14-year anniversary. Every week somebody was winning something. So exact date and time I'm not too sure, but yeah, I don't have exact date and time, but I do a lot of giveaway just to show my clients and my audience how much I'm truly appreciated and thankful for everything that you have done by just following me, liking and commenting on all my posts, and most importantly, booking and trusting me with your makeup application. So the second question that you ask is, do you sponsor giveaway, or do I have sponsor for giveaway? I think that she wanted to ask. No, every time I do a giveaway is my personal giveaway that I pay with my own hard-earned money, and no one sponsored the giveaway but me, Chanelly767. But however, if somebody do want to sponsor a giveaway while I'm doing a giveaway, of course I do welcome it, but no, always me that sponsor my own giveaway. So the next question, if I wasn't an MLA, what would I be? I would be in the service industry, and basically like a first response, so like a police, air guard, in the army, in the navy. I was close enough. I would say a doctor, a nurse. I always wanted to be in that type of field because I really love helping people. That's just me. I love to help people. I love that a lot. So that I will be if I wasn't in the makeup industry. Right. So I have to write down the question. So next question you guys ask is must-have makeup. So my must-have makeup is a lot, and this video will be too long if I start naming my must-have makeup, so definitely we'll do a separate video for that. I will do like a must-have makeup in your MUA kit, so definitely look out for that video coming real soon. And then the next question, when I started makeup, I started 2007 doing makeup. By the time I started, I was already doing clients, but I was practicing a year before that on my friends, families, acquaintance, any random person. I was doing makeup on them, and also I was watching a lot of YouTube channel. The next question, your first makeup client. My first makeup client was Bruno. She was my first client and my first photo shoot. So when I do a makeup, it wasn't just a regular soft glam, full glam, no. She was doing a photo shoot. So she was my first client and my first photo shoot. My first wedding was Helen. She's my childhood school friend, so that was the first wedding I do, and it was very early in the morning. And then my first group of girls was Heineken girls. There were a lot of them, and it was around carnival season, and I did them twice. Next question, how do you practice? I practice, as mentioned, on a lot of friends, family, acquaintance, a lot of my sister friends. A lot of my sister friends, family, my mom, my sister, my mom get a lot of makeup done by me. Everything I used to practice was always, hey, I want to try something. They're already sitting down on the chair. And like I tell you before, I had a lot of support system coming from my family till now. They really support me in this journey of becoming a makeup artist, and also there's some stuff that I want to do, and they even supporting me in that. So I had a strong family support system in the makeup industry. Now, the next question is, how do you mix your foundational clients? Normally, I prefer getting the exact shade, but however, if I do not get the exact shade, I will go from light, which is closer to the skin tone, to dark, which is closest, mix it, and then I get the shade. But once again, I prefer just using the similar exact foundation to their skin tone. Next question, how long do you do makeup? It depends. For a soft glam, I do 1 hour, full glam 1 hour and plus, because with a full glam, you know, they want cut crease, they want glitter, they want rhinestone, they want it all. For wedding, the bridesmaids, of course, 1 hour, the bride take like 1 hour and 30 minutes, and some photo shoots and group of girls, it depends on the type of look that they want to do. Next question, do you give classes? No, but before starting out as a makeup artist, yes. I do give a lot of classes then, but I don't do anymore because, as you guys know, I work offshore. So when I'm home for, I would say, like a month, 2 months for the most, and then I'm off again to offshore working. So that's why I prefer to do the makeup application than doing the classes itself, because like if I start a class and then my job call me and say, okay, we need you, I have to leave in the middle of the class to go offshore and work. So that's why I do not want that. So I prefer, as soon as I settle home, then I will start doing makeup classes. So it's in the making. Next question, what inspires or motivates you? You should know the answer to that, of course, is my mom. She inspired me because she's the first person I see doing makeup application, and she motivates me all the time. Sometimes I hated a look that I do on myself in the beginning when I started makeup. She said, it's okay, all you need to do is just practice. You don't have nobody to practice on, use me. My mom telling me, use her. You have my sister there to practice on. So she was my biggest motivation, and also seeing clients' reaction every time I do a makeup application. They're so excited, they're so happy, and all the time they're ready to book their next appointment. They're always doing that, and it really gave me joy a lot. Every time I'm doing a makeup application, I am very happy just to play makeup. And after I finished doing the makeup application, I literally stepped back and I was like, I did that. You always need to celebrate yourself, celebrate your victory. If no one do it for you, it's okay, girl, do it yourself. You need to celebrate your victory and your success. Celebrate you. Next question, how you charge? It depends on the makeup application. Sometimes if you want a soft glam, it's one price. A basic glam basically don't include eyeshadow. All it includes is lashes, lip gloss, foundation, and that's it, done. Some makeup artists. Full glam is another price, because remember, with the full glam, you do cut crease, you do glitter, you do rhinestones, you do a whole bunch of stuff on your face, and the lashes depends on what type of lashes that you want as well. And then when you have weddings, photo shoots, shows, also different price. But keep in mind, guys, whenever you decide to freelance as an MUA, always remember to to charge a freelance fee, because remember, your makeup application, this application is one price, but going to that client from point A to point Z is a different price. So never forget to include and speak. So next question is, so that's the next question, how much people you take a day? I take 15 for the most. I will take a day. The last time I do so much was Independence season at my birth country in Dominica, Curl Festival. I put a time card up top so you can go take a look. I did 13 girls in one day and I finished after midnight. So the most I would do is 15. That day I do was 13 girls. So that's how much I would do a day. And yes, I do group discounts, but that day nobody know each other. Everybody was on their own, so everybody had to pay their regular price. Next question, which MUA do you look up to? I do not look up to any particular MUA. To me, all have the different style, the different technique, the different method of applying the makeup. And like I tell you, every single day there is something new in makeup coming out with makeup application, and even the brands and the products, there's something new. So I look up to all MUA because there's something that you can learn from all of them. You know, if you are basically, you can be a makeup artist and you have no problem with the brow application, but watching one MUA doing her brows different than how you used to, and then you try it and then you end up mastering the brows. So you can learn from everybody. So I look up to all of them. No particular one, all of them is the best. Even if they need more practice, you will get there. You just need to practice, girl, and you will get there, trust me. So the next question is, do you take deposit and late fee? No, at the time, no, but I'm not against it because I do understand where the late fee, deposit and cancellation fee coming out, because at the end of the day you do take in somebody else's time or somebody else's seat. Late fee I understand, because remember, you late, other clients at the back of your appointment is pushed back, and so is the other clients after that. So all that I understand about the late fee, deposit and cancellation fee coming in, I understand that and I respect that. I'm not against that. I'm not doing it for the time, but most definitely will get into that. Now the last question. Do you airbrush? No, I do not airbrush. I know about airbrush, I understand about airbrush, I read about airbrush, but never tried out or practiced airbrush. To me, I was more into freelancing and makeup application, like a full glam, soft glam, wedding, photo shoots, and this type of field. To me, airbrush is more for, like, I would say, like movies, theater, I should say, theater time, movies, music video. That's what I believe is for airbrush. That's what I believe in. Some people may have a different idea about airbrush, but to me that's the main purpose of airbrush. But I could be wrong, but no, and I'm not interested into airbrush. I just want to do the makeup application. So that was a lot of questions, girl. You guys have a lot of your you guys had a lot on all your mind, but I appreciate you and thank you so much for asking me all these questions. I hope I answered. I hope it was very helpful for you, and keep it locked until the next time. Chanel 767. Bye.